This video claims that an Amazon shop made over 175,000 selling storybooks for kids, but it's not what you think. You're led to believe this is the best AI side hustle in 2023 and that you can make huge profits quickly, just like this Amazon seller did. But they didn't tell you that this seller started in 2015 and is a children's book publishing company with over 55 employees working around the clock to find professional writers and sell books. That doesn't sound like an even playing field. If you scroll through any of their products listed in the last year, none have anywhere close to 175,000 in sales, demonstrating that this is not the best online business to start in 2024. The truth is, most of these YouTube channels promising to show you get-rich-quick schemes are capping the truth. Think about it. If that was the easiest way to get rich online right now, don't you think they'd be doing that instead of making YouTube videos about how to do it? Look, I get it. Their videos are catchy and trendy. But if you're trying to build a successful online business without failing 10 times before you figure this out, then you need honest advice. Here at Financeable, I've made over $7,000 in digital income online, but none of it came easy like these videos make it seem. Today, I will show you a no strategy that still works so that you can make money online in 2024. And yes, I do this myself, and I'll even show you proof that it still works if you start today. So let's get into it. Start a YouTube channel. One of my YouTube Shorts channels generates $170 per week with 34,000 subscribers. The crazy part is I started this channel less than 5 months ago, all while using AI to script and edit my videos. And now I've turned it into a profitable business. Here's how. Step 1. Start a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel about a topic you're already passionate about or know a lot about. For me, this was learning about my health and how to optimize it. I noticed that over the last few years, this type of content has become popular with podcasts like Joe Rogan and Andrew Huberman, so I figured I could capitalize. But don't worry if you're not interested in that. Of course, you can pick something else that is popular, something like sports, celebrity drama, or even simple quotes. But whatever topic you choose, just don't let it be boring, because you only make money if people who are interested in that topic watch your videos. Step 2. Generate content ideas. For this, I use ChatGPT to come up with a list. Look how great these topics are when I ask ChatGPT to give me a list of content ideas for my next 30 days. For this example, let's go with the importance of sleep. Step 3. Writing of short scripts. This brings us to step 3. Start writing short scripts for each topic. You can ask ChatGPT to write you a 30-second script about the importance of sleep or whatever topic yours is for your video. And boom, just like that, our script is ready to go. Step 4. Start creating content using AI. Before AI, you had 2 options for creating videos. You could either spend hours of your time trying to edit a video yourself, or you could pay somebody tons of money to edit it for you. AI video editing platform. But AI has changed the game. In my opinion, InVideo is all around the best AI video editing platform in the game right now. It's like Canva but for video, and it generates videos for you based on whatever your script says. So if my video is talking about the importance of getting 8 hours of sleep, I just upload the script into InVideo, and it'll create a voiceover of my choice, populate the video with content that matches the topic, write cool engaging captions, and even provide copyright-free background music. As I said, it's the real deal, and I use it for almost all my projects. When you're editing, try not to overthink it, because the longer you wait, the longer you're not getting views or making money. One of my short channel's most popular videos with over 1 million views is just about cheating on your partner. It accounts for over 6,000 of my 34,000 subscribers, and it took me 10 minutes to make it from start to finish. Regardless of what kind of short-form content you make, you just want to make sure it has high retention, meaning people will stay and watch the entire video. I achieve this by having a good hook and having some quick edits every few seconds to keep the viewer engaged. And using AI like ChatGPT and Victory, this becomes so simple to execute. YouTube Shorts algorithms. So once you've created your first video, it's time to publish it to YouTube, and you'll start seeing it go viral. I wish it was that easy. My first video got around 300 views in the first week. So this is what leads me to step 4, which is understanding the YouTube Shorts algorithm. All you need to know is that YouTube Shorts are all about consistency. It's a numbers game. The more shorts you publish, the more exposure you'll get. And yes, it's really that simple. To show you proof, it took my channel exactly 60 days to get monetized. And in my first 60 days of posting, I posted a total of 63 shorts. In that time frame, just 2 of my shorts contributed to 91% of my total views across my channel. Yeah, those 2 posts went viral, and they both took me less than 15 minutes to create thanks to AI tools. Step 5. Be patient. Don't compare your day 1 to someone's day 100. It will not only drive you crazy, but you'll also contemplate quitting. Trust me, I've been there. You need to trust the process in the early stages of your YouTube channel. So if you decide to use this as a source of online income, make a promise to yourself that you're going to do this for the next 30 days at least, then reevaluate. Results will vary a bit. While some channels will start hot, others will catch up over time. Luckily for you, though, you have some control over how soon your channel pops off. If you take time to consistently publish videos and try to learn and iterate on every single upload you make, then success is almost guaranteed. It's exponential growth. So at the beginning, it might not seem like anything, but over time, it starts to compound and grow fast. It's worth taking the time to understand your channel's analytics and see what's working and what's not. Then use that information to create better videos. Step 6. Repeat. And this brings me to step 6, which is to repeat what is working. After my first short went viral, I analyzed it and noticed that it had way more comments than all my other posts did. Very quickly, that told me that my audience was interested in the topic. So about 2 weeks later, I posted a similar video on the same topic and was able to repeat the virality. Step 7. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you reach the monetization threshold, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and start getting paid. As I said, for me, this took exactly 60 days to pass 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views, which are the 2 requirements you need if you're monetizing a YouTube Shorts channel. That might sound like a lot, but trust the process, and I think you'll be surprised to learn how easy it is to achieve this. Half the work is just getting started and doing it. 99% of people never put in the effort to just get started, so don't be like them. I know this video was about valuing your time and using it as a blueprint while you build your channel. Comment and let me know what you guys think below, and make sure to subscribe for more no BS ways to make money online.